Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti sauce like Jollibee. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You will need 1 pound of ground meat, some hot dogs, and a crucial element, banana ketchup. We'll also prepare a sweet and savory base using tomato sauce and brown sugar. Having all your spices ready, like garlic powder and onion powder, will ensure a perfectly balanced flavor profile for your delicious sauce. Now, let's start building that incredible flavor foundation. Begin by browning 1 pound of your chosen ground meat, whether it's beef or pork, until it's fully cooked through. Next, sauté some minced garlic and chopped onions in a pan until they become wonderfully fragrant and translucent. Finally, add your sliced hot dogs and cook them for a few minutes. This step is key to releasing their unique savory flavor into the sauce. This is where we achieve that signature Jollibee sweetness. Pour in 2 full cups of rich tomato sauce and 1 cup of that essential banana ketchup. Stir in 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of grated cheese, which adds a lovely creaminess. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 30 minutes. This crucial simmering time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. For the final touches, taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper until it perfectly matches your preferred taste. Once it's just right, generously spoon the warm, sweet, and savory sauce over your freshly cooked spaghetti noodles. For an authentic presentation, you can garnish your plate with extra shredded cheese and a few more slices of hot dogs. Enjoy your homemade Jollibee-style spaghetti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.